Alright, so I'm gonna be testing out this Tresemme Fresh and Clean Dry Shampoo versus the Monet Conditioning Dry Shampoo, and kind of show you guys what you're putting on your hair basically when you're spraying this on. Alright, so we have the Tresemme one. I'm so scared. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, one more time. Oh my god. Now we're going to spray our dry shampoo. Here we go. The same way I was spraying the Tresemme one. It just puts it out. Like, I cannot even make this up. It just puts it out. You guys, when you take a look at the ingredient list of this product, you see highly flammable ingredients. I mean propane, butane, isobutane, and so many other chemicals that are just so bad for us. I mean, this literally can light up on fire. Like, that's so crazy. And you're putting this on your hair versus our dry shampoo, which is, I mean, vegan, naturally based. It doesn't contain all those chemicals that I just mentioned. It doesn't have propane, butane, nothing like that. This right here is just one of the million reasons why you should definitely make the switch to more naturally based products. I mean, you might be thinking that you're just spraying this on your hair and that's it, but not really. This is actually being absorbed into your body. Statistically speaking, for those of you who like numbers, anything that you put on your body is absorbed into the bloodstream in 26 seconds, okay? 26 seconds, that's actually pretty crazy. And you might be saying like, oh, it's not a big deal right now, but you don't know how this can affect you, you know, in the future, you know, years down the line. There's so many autoimmune diseases that have been caused by chemicals in our cosmetics. So anyway, I hope I was able to get my point across and kind of enlighten you guys on why you should definitely make the switch to naturally based products. So yeah, thanks for watching.